name is Michelle Brion. I'm a freelance hair and makeup artist for TV, film, and print, and special events, and a beauty expert. And today I'm going to be telling you about different size curlers to wear on your wet hair. So what we're going to do is I've already sectioned my model's hair, and you want to make sure you have very clean part, and you want to make sure the hair is wet. So what we're going to do is I'm going to start off with a smaller roller. You want to go ahead and dampen the hair just a bit, and if you need extra control, you just want to go ahead and use a little bit of gel, which will help control the hair. You want to bring that up, wrap the hair evenly, bring that down, and go ahead and secure it with some hairpins. Now I like to use these metal hairpins because they add a lot of security when the hair is being set. Now I am going to use a medium-sized roller, and I'm just going to repeat the same process. Dampen the hair, comb the hair, make sure everything is nice and neat. Now what you want to do, if you want to get an extra hold on the base, you want to go ahead and roll that very neatly, wrap the hair nice and neat. If you have to use gel, go ahead. And you want to go ahead and secure that right on top of the base of the root of the hair. Secure it. And that should give you a medium-sized volume to your hair. Now I'm going to use a larger one. We're going to repeat the same process. And I'm going to use a larger roller. Bring that, wrap the hair around the roller. Take your time doing it because you want a nice, clean roll. Once you've done, secure it once again. And there you have it, small, medium, and large. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, my name is Michelle Brion. Have a great day.